Alright, I'm going to go over how to do the Trezor install on your computer. So what I'm doing now is taking some of my cryptocurrency from the exchanges to a cold storage. And this is one of the devices that are available to utilize to get them off the exchanges and into your cold storage wallet. And what it says right now, this is kind of how it starts out. You plug it in, there's a walkthrough on it, tells you what to do, and you plug it into your computer. What tells you three things right here is security checks. My hologram was intact and untampered with from the official shop or a trusted reseller. Package wasn't tampered with. So all three of those for me, yes. Make sure that you buy from the official shops and trusted sellers so that your cryptocurrencies do not get taken. So all we do is it takes about 5 minutes to set up Trezor. And again, have not done this before. I'm doing this now, and I wanted to show how easily it can be done. Firmware, wallet, pin, coins, and then you're done. Your Trezor is shipped without any firmware, so you can install the latest version directly by clicking the button below. When your device starts up, it will confirm that the firmware is authentic or display a warning. Version 2.43 support Taproot, show address confirmation and sign message, support for advanced Cardano transactions and different derivations for compatibility. Ethereum support for EIP 712, signing type data. And then you can view all of Trezor Suite firmware updates December 2021. And not using Trezor Suite. So they changed one of the things to Suite. Now when you log in, it goes to the Suite. Taproot accounts and addresses. I've done a lot of research on this already before this, so I'm not going to read all of it. Create a new Taproot account, and these are the Trezor models, December 21st. Trezor T. So the Trezor T, the reason I got that is because some of the cryptos, XRP, Cardano, that I already read, are only available on the Model Ts where you can download them. The other models may not be able to use those. So install firmware, 6%. It goes pretty quick. And all I'm doing right now is installing it onto the computer, and then once the firmware is installed on the computer, it should take me to another walkthrough. And after doing my reviews, my research, this is not financial advice. However, this is the one that I selected to go with. There's pretty much two of them, Ledger and Trezor. The problem with ledgers for me is that you need to buy a multitude of ledgers just to have it, because they're limited on space. Trezor, from what I found, Trezor, and there's a check saying it's done. Restarting Trezor, so it's going to restart. Setting up device, we're setting up Trezor. Complete, continue, create a new wallet or restore one from a backup. Create a new wallet. Standard seed backup. Choose how to back up your Trezor. This process will also create a standard wallet for you. Okay, so I selected wallet backup. Choose how to back up your Trezor. This process will also create a standard wallet for you. And then it says on the confirm on the Trezor, confirm on Trezor. Do you want to create a new wallet? By continuing, you agree, and then click yes. My Trezor, your wallet is almost ready. Create backup. You've successfully set up your Trezor and created your wallet. You should never use your Trezor without backing it up. It is the only way to recover a lost wallet. Create backup. Your Trezor will generate a list of words which you need to write down. So this is the important part right here. You do not want to share with other people. You don't want to record it. You don't want to have it on a device because if they match this and they get your cold wallet storage, so they need to have this and the cold wallet storage. Let's see, this information is the most important part of securing your Trezor. It is the only offline backup of your Trezor and all wallets associated with it. Check your backup and device settings before sending money to the wallet. Never take a photo or make a digital copy of the backup. Keep your backup secured and never share it with anyone. Okay, check your backup and device settings before sending money. Never take a photo. Begin backup, skip backup. Click to confirm you understand. Okay, so that's how you check it. Never take a photo. So you click these boxes here, and then keep your backup secured and never share it with anyone. Again, begin backup, create backup. Your Trezor will generate a list of words which you need to write down. This information is the most important. Never make a digital copy. So it's telling me on the Trezor 2, caution, never make a digital copy of your recovery seed and never upload it online. Click to understand. I understand. Okay, so it's sending me these things on the Trezor wallet, which is actually nice because I'm recording this. I can write this down and it's not broadcasting over the recording.